Hi everyone, Karen from Miles and Green Shed Talks here. Just checking in with you again, seeing if you're okay. So today, what I'd like to talk about is the difference between a Swedish massage and a sports massage. It's a question that we get asked all the time, and so I'd like to just kind of explain to you the main differences and why you might choose one or the other. So Swedish massage is the most basic massage you will learn in your training. It's usually the first set of massage training. That was my dog. The first bit of massage training that anybody will go into this field. You will do a level 3 anatomy and physiology qualification, and then you will learn all of the basic massage techniques in order to deliver a full body massage, and then pull bits out of that for what you need. Then after that, when you have experience in that field, you then go into the sports massage training, which is advanced anatomy and physiology and advanced techniques to be able to use. So that's the two different bits of training that you need. There are fast track courses where you can do some sports massage training without doing any basic massage. They are not my preferred choice of training, but I'll talk about that in another time. Alice and I both did it the old school way. I did it old school way because I am old. And that was concentrated on Swedish massage training, experience, sports massage training, experience. With that knowledge, I want you to know that even when you book a Swedish massage, you're getting a top still getting a top treatment, because you've got somebody who has advanced massage training and knowledge, even though we're doing a Swedish massage. So the difference between the two. So Swedish, very, very relaxing, stress relief. The pressure is, I would say, light to medium. So if you don't like too much pressure, this is perfect for you. If you've got no obvious issues or injuries, then Swedish is great, absolutely perfect. We work on the big superficial muscles of the body. We'll affect the deeper layer, but we're not going to target deeper layer muscles. So there's pretty much anybody can book a Swedish. There are a few contraindications, which means the reasons why you can't have a treatment. So there are a few contraindications to any massage, but as a general rule, most people can have a Swedish massage with no issues. We do a lot of them. So, there is a great treatment. But sports, we do an awful lot of sports. And I always say to my clients, once you've had a sports massage, it's very rare that you'll go back to a Swedish. So although at the beginning it may seem like you're having to put up with a deeper treatment, slightly uncomfortable at times, especially if you're in injury phase, once we've got you through that, to have a deep tissue massage is lovely, and people do still find it relaxing, I promise you. Sports massage in itself, so like the Swedish, we work the superficial muscles, the muscles of the top layer, but we also treat the deeper layer muscles. So underneath, there's a layered effect to your muscular system. So we're working the deeper layer of the muscles as well. Part of our training is to know, the advanced training is to know where each muscle starts, where each muscle finishes, and what action that muscle does. So if you come in with a certain injury, or if you've got some discomfort somewhere, then those are the things that we're thinking of. So where does the muscle begin? Where does it attach? What action does it do? Why is that tight? Is it because that one's loose? So all of these things we're questioning the whole time with sports, particularly with injury. That is why you have a far more in-depth consultation. We need to know a lot of back history, injuries, not necessarily injuries, but you know, if you've been somebody who sits at a desk all day, every day, automatically we can build a picture as to which muscles potentially could be causing a little bit of a problem. And then we work with what you say as well to build that picture. So both of them have their place in massage, definitely. Both of them have their place. Sports massage is not just for sports people. I would honestly say that the amount of sports massage we do, 30% of them, only 30% of them are sports people. The other 70% are people who drive for a living. You know, we have tradesmen, plasterers, roofers, that, you know, you're in awkward positions working all day long. These cause tensions within the tissues. So it's anybody. New mums that are holding babies on one hip, that's another really, really common one. So you don't have to be a sports person to have a sports massage. It's a productive treatment. So when people ring up, I always ask, is this pain, is this discomfort interfering with your day-to-day life? And if you say yes, then I would say that we need to investigate that a little bit more, which then requires probably sports massage and sports massage techniques to work that out. If there's no specific problem, you're just feeling generally achy, if you prefer a deep tissue massage, book the sports. If you don't, if you prefer a lighter massage, then book the Swedish. So in short, the sports massage, if you feel that you've got a discomfort, an ailment, an injury, if it's an injury, it's definitely sports. But if you're feeling that you've got something that's just, you can't sleep at night on a certain area, you've had this going on for quite a long time, on one side of the body, on both sides of the body, when you're running or when you're doing any of your sports, if something keeps flashing up, you need a sports massage. We need to do an in-depth consultation. We need to work out the pain pattern and then work out the treatment from there. If you are feeling like you just want some relaxation, stress relief, you know, just to be pampered, looked after, your well-being looked after, then I would pick the Swedish. We can always chat to you. Please always ask us, because it's all dependent on each client. With the sports as well, we have quite a few extra modalities that we can use. So we have dry needling, we have myofascial cupping, we have ultrasound, we have audiosonic, we have K-taping. So there's various extra things we can also do with the sports. And I'm going to go into those different treatments in other videos. So that is hopefully given you a little description of why you would choose Swedish or why you would choose sport. But please always ask us and we can help you if you're not sure. Have a look at our website. Everything is on there, every different treatment that we do. It's www.milesandgreen.co.uk. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.